Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is day 165 of my coding journey. So I got a list of things that I want to do today. I'm going to try to get most of them done on camera. I'm going to be working on a full stack e-commerce site. And let me just go over the stuff that I plan on doing. So I got my to-do list app open. And here's all the things that I want to do. So I want to make a remove from cart alert. And what I mean by that, I'm just going to go over everything. So when you add to wishlist, so I'm currently signed in. When I add to wishlist, I made this little cool alert that pops up for, I think it's like a few seconds. And it shows you that it's been added to wishlist. And now it's currently in our wishlist like that. And so I want to add a remove from cart alert. So whenever we remove from cart, maybe like a little red alert pop up that says item has been removed from cart. Because currently it just, I don't know, doesn't show anything. It just shows cart empty. So I think that would be cool to add. And a sign in error whenever you try to add to cart. So this is a premium hat site. You got to be signed in to purchase. This is how I want to create this site. I can easily take out the cart and put it inside the nav bar, but you know, like, let me go ahead and sign out right quick. Sign out, come on. It takes forever to sign out, and I want to work on that as well. So I got that listed. So I think it's here. So sign out when clicking on sign out in menu. And what I mean by that, I don't want to go to this default page. I just want to just instantly sign out. And I think I know a way to get around from just going straight to this sign out page instead of doing all this extra work. So whenever I click sign out, I just want to just instantly sign out. And so I'm currently signed out, and whenever I add to wishlist now, it says you must be signed in. But when I add to cart, nothing pops up. And I want the same thing to pop up when I add to cart as well. You got to be signed in to get access to the cart and the wishlist. This is a premium cap site. You cannot purchase unless you are a member. So let's go ahead and log back in. I'm gonna log in with Facebook and just go over the rest of the stuff that I plan on doing. So I want to start the UI layout. So I created this little wireframe at work. I've been doing this for like ever since I started coding. I just draw what I want to create on paper. I ignore my ashy hands there. But so yeah, let's go ahead and open this back up. Let that load up. So the hero section is already completed. So underneath here, I want like some boxes with some icons that says like free shipping, 24/7 chat, and some more icons that say something else. And then I want underneath that, it's gonna say like daily deals with some products, like 4 products, and then a banner. And then it's gonna be a shop men's section with 8 products and a shop women's section with 8 products. And then I might add a blog, so it's gonna be like our blog, and you can click on that, and then a footer. So I want to start the layout for that today as well. And remove from wishlist alert. So whenever we remove from wishlist, just a little alert that says, you know, item has been removed from wishlist. And then Lottie animation. So I was supposed to add these Lottie animations the other day, but I got tied up with this bug that I actually fixed, and I'm so happy I fixed it. Let's see if it's actually fixed. So whenever I was clicking checkout, my checkout form wasn't loading. No. Oh, whew, it scared me for a second. All right. So there you go. It loads. So as you guys can see, it does take a second or two to load up. So while that's loading, I want like a Lottie animation that's saying something like, you know, your order is preparing, or preparing your order. And I also want one whenever we check out. I want like on the success screen, I want a little cool animation there as well. So yeah, let's get started. And let me just go ahead and just pull that to the other screen. And first thing first, I say we to start from the bottom up, I guess. And I spelled cart wrong here. Add to car. So I'm gonna add a sign-in error to my car. All right, so remove from cart alert. So let's go ahead and do that. So, and also we also need a remove from cart button as well. So as you can see, there's no actual button to just remove it from cart. And just, so let's add that here. So let's remove from cart button. All right, so let's go ahead and do that now. And I still haven't styled this yet, so it'll just be just anywhere. So let's go to our actual cart and see where we render out all of this stuff. I haven't been in this file in a while now. Actually, it should be under product, I believe. Is it under product? No, it's not under product. It's under checkout. No, cart. Okay. Details. Okay, decrement button. Okay, cool. All right, I see. All right, so let's go ahead and actually, I might actually make this into its own button. Remove from cart button, kind of like how I did these buttons here. And this actually came in handy. I'm glad I did this because I use the decrement and increment inside of, oh, I didn't, I thought I did, but I added the add the cart and remove button. Oh, I don't even have a remove button. What the hell? What I did, I guess I just did it inside here. So add the cart. So let's go ahead and do a remove button right quick. That way we can add the alerts and stuff like that. And we might have to do one for that as well, just so everything can be organized. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do remove from cart button .tsx. All right, so we got our button there. Go ahead and RAFE. And the first thing I'm gonna do is import our store from ZooStand. So I'm gonna do use cart store from our store, and down here I'm gonna do a cons cart store equals use cart store, and we gotta do it like that. All right, so I'm just going to test this out right quick. Let's just do remove. It's gonna be an icon, but let's just make sure the functionality is working first, I guess. Then we'll style it up a bit. So let's just do a div. Let's see how I did these. I just do a button. Okay, so yeah, I just did a button for those. Let's do the same thing. Let's do a fragment like that, and then in here we're gonna do a button. And just be like, I'm just gonna say delete for now. But it's gonna be an icon, like a little trash icon. And then we're gonna do a on click, and I'm gonna return cart store dot remove product, and I believe we pass in here. Okay, so I think we actually got to pass down some state here, actually, if I'm not mistaken. So for the add to cart, let's see what we did here. So yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely pass down some state for the product because we got to remove it. So what I'm gonna do is copy this over and paste it up in here. And we gotta import that product type. Product type. And so that's that. So now we gotta pass down a state, and this will be, go back to here. Okay. So we gotta copy this in for it. Copy, and then we're gonna paste it in here. I'm not mistaken. I think this should work. But now we gotta pass it to state, and we're gonna do that in our checkout form. I mean, our checkout, our cart, and down here wherever we want the button. So we got the let's see where we got the add to cart button. Leave this in product maybe, or products. Okay, so we do that. All right. How the hell? Wish list. Okay, wish list score product. Product. Okay, so I don't think I have to do that. Let's see. Unclick. I think I'm overthinking it here. So let's go ahead and put this button inside of our cart for now, though. And we're just gonna put it anywhere. Just put it next to. Let's go to our cart. Let's put it over top of the checkout. Let's see, checkout. Oh, you just put it here. Put it right here. All right, so let's go ahead and do remove from cart button. All right, and do import. Yep. So I was expecting a prop. Oh, okay. I could just pass it this. Hold on. I could just do pass it product, and just pass it to product like that. I'm passing it to product, and then inside of our remove from cart, instead of it being like this, probably just structure it like this. So product, and then it's gonna remove product like that. Let's see if that works. I don't think that's gonna work. Okay, so it is working, but it's not working the way that I want to. I think it's so it is working, it's deleting. But I think once we check this out, so once we have 4, it just goes down. We don't want that. We want it just completely gone. So what I'm thinking is we either we can try this. We can use the spread operator. I think this is gonna delete probably like all the products in our thing, if I'm not mistaken. But let's see. All right, let's do 4, delete. See, it's not working. Remove product. Oh, hold on, wait. I think I'm using the wrong. Let's go to my store. Use cart store. Remove product. So yeah, that's that. Add to cart. Huh. I think I need to make a new store, because what this is doing is basically just so yeah, I forgot. This is for the decrement button. So that's what that's doing. So what I can do is just clear cart. Actually, forgot I made that. Let's go over to remove cart and we'll just do a clear. Nope, I don't want to do that though. Clear cart, because then I'll just clear the whole entire cart. So I think I figured it out. But I do want to do some testing here, maybe later on, just to make sure that it's working. So I had to make some new state inside of my store, because this remove product is for this decrement button that I have. And what that does is whenever the quantity hits 0, that's when it deletes. So it's at 4, we click delete, click the minus, and then once it hits 0, that's when it's deleting. So I had to make some new state, delete product, and I got a little TypeScript error that I'll fix later. But it seems to be working, so add to cart and then press delete, and it deletes. I kind of want to add another product just to make sure it doesn't empty the entire cart. So let's go ahead and go head over to Stripe right quick and just make a little quick product and see does it delete like everything, which I hope it doesn't. So let's see. Come on, Stripe, come on. Products. Alright, so I'm just gonna make just a quick one. I don't have any images though. Let me sign in right quick. Got a long password, I know. Alright, so I don't have any images. Let's just I'll probably just go to Google and type in a hat right quick. Hat PNG. And let's type in cat. Alright, images. And just get one of these right quick. Just test products. Let's get this one. This looks nice. Even though it's huge, 3,500 by 3,500. Really? Who needs a cap that like image size that big? Sheesh. I don't know if they're gonna let me upload this. Probably too big. Okay, perfect. I'm just gonna say test product and price. One time it's gonna be $100. And let's go and save. All right, so we should see it now inside of our project once we refresh. I might have to npm. Oh, there it goes. I see it. Test product. Nice. Now it's gonna take forever to load. That image size is huge. All right, and look, my image not even loading there either. Jeez. Let me go to my dashboard and see does it load on there. Just my computer, man, it's going slow. Let me exit out the image. Exit out some of the stuff I don't need. Open. So it's loading on here on my dashboard, which is cool. All right. So let's go ahead and add this to to our cart. So we got it in our cart. Let's go and add this one to our cart. We got 2 items in our cart. So let's try to delete this one. Yes, it works. Nice. Let's go. And delete. Nice. Perfect. All right. So let's go ahead and style this up just a little bit. Instead of this button, I do want like a trash icon. So let's head over to I believe I was using React icons in this, right? Go to here. Decrement button. I was using Material UI icons, which I kind of regret using. I really like React icons now. But I guess I'll use that one. Let's go here. And let's go here, material, UI icons. Let's go ahead and grab that trash one, trash can one. Let's just maybe delete. See what they got for delete. Make sure I'm recording. Probably running really slow right now. I do apologize. All right. Look, like, what in the world? Okay. I'm just gonna probably just use this one. Delete forever. I wonder if I can destructure this. I just to fix that TypeScript error, if I could just do that. Maybe an array there. Nope. All right, I'll fix that later. Let's get rid of this here. And put our icon there, and inside this button, it's gonna be our icon. Let's just do a delete forever icon. And like I said, I'll style it up all later on. Not really worried about the styling right now. And add to cart. And now we have our delete button, which I'm starting not to like, but I guess we can keep it. I guess. All right, so now what I want to do is whenever we remove it from the cart, I want an alert to pop up, kind of like this one. Test product has been added. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go to the add to wish list and see what I did here. I could just copy over some of this code. So for the button, we did an on click and did a set timeout. Okay, I kind of see what we did there. All right, so let's go ahead and do this now. So we can do a const. I'm just gonna do a handle delete. I'm just gonna do handle remove from cart. This is probably way too OD. Handle remove from cart. And in here, we're going to do our cart store delete, and we're going to delete our product. All right. And then after that, we're going to do an alert, which I gotta go see how we did this. So we did a message, set message. Okay, got it. Message, and then we got it. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and set some state here. We need use state, import use state from React. And whenever we using use state, we got to make sure we do use client at the top here, or whenever we're doing like on clicks and stuff. And let's go ahead and set this on click to remove handle. And oh my god, can't type today. All right, handle move from cart. Let's make sure it's still working. Add to cart and delete. Nice. All right, so it's still working. And now let's go ahead and do our message. So we're gonna do a const message, and we're gonna do a set message, and by default it's gonna be an empty string. Yep. And underneath our button we could just do message and then we're gonna render out some JSX. So we'll probably just do like a div, and the message would be, for now I could just do something just to make sure it pops up. We just do removed, something like that. And let's just pause this inside of a H1 actually. Okay. All right. And trying to think. So here we need to set our message, I believe, to that. Let's see, hold on. Add to wish list. Oh, okay, I did it wrong. So we're supposed to do a message here like this. Message, and then up here is where we set it at. So we'll do a set message, and for now we're just gonna do remove cart, and we should be able to see it once we let's see if we see it anywhere. Is it anywhere? Let's just remove. This is the set timeout that I did, and then else. Shouldn't need that. Okay. All right. So what we can do is go ahead and just give this a class name of absolute, and let's just give it a top of 0, right? And then give this button oh wait, okay, that makes sense now. That makes sense. Full fixed bottom. Let's copy this. Fixed bottom. That over there. That. What I just did. And let's see if we see it now. Add to cart. Oh, we don't see it. Okay, that's the error. I don't need that. I want this set message to pop up, and I wonder why it's not popping up. Make sure I'm still recording. Make sure everything is good. All right. So yeah, I want this set message to pop up, and I wonder why it's not popping up. It should pop up. Inside the button with fixed. Beautiful. Let's see. Oh, wait. Hold on. Yeah, it should pop up if I'm not mistaken. So message. Yeah, it should. I wonder why it's not. Let's refresh and see what's going on. So add the cart and remove. Oh, I see it. It's right there. I see I see it. It's right there, but it's not showing. See, look. Wait, is that it? Oh, I don't think that's it actually. Let's refresh and see. Let's see. Let's go ahead. I know what to do. Because it's still gonna be there because it's fixed. Let's go ahead and inspect. And we're gonna go ahead and clear out our cart store. The application. Cart store. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it. And refresh. It should empty out everything in our cart store. Oh, it's still there. Okay. Um, PG bottom with full, add in 3, left 0, text white. I just want to see it. If I can just see it. Let's just do a top of 0, maybe. So let's take out this bottom and let's do a top of 0 or a top of like 5. Let's see what happens. Add the cart. Yeah, I don't see it anywhere. Okay. The wish list. All right, so that sucks. So message. We're setting our message. You know what I think it is? A message. All right, let's try this. Let's do a binary operator. Let's do message that, and then else we're gonna return no. Let's try that. Add the cart. Move. No. Message to remove. Okay, not working. That sucks. Can't figure out how to fix that. So we got our message. We're setting our message whenever we click to removed. Let's just see if the message just pops up anyway. Let's just do an H1 of just message. Add the card. Yeah, I don't even see the message anywhere. Huh. It should be. Okay, I think I know what it is. Let's just see if it's there. Okay, this is weird. Oh, because we're not setting it until... That makes sense. I think I see it. Okay, I think I understand it now. All right, so what it's doing is this. So whenever we click on this, right, it's removing all, like, it's removing everything, so we can't see it. So to see it, I bet you this is gonna work. So we add the cart there and we add the cart there. So now we got 2 items. So now, once we, let me just go back in the code right quick. And we could try this one for now. Actually, let's try that one. And I'll add 2 items to the cart. Remove one. Now we see it. You see it pops up. But as you can see, once we remove this one, it disappeared because our cart is empty. So we gotta figure out how to fix that. Can be something to do with the cart length. We can do this video just, I'm 100% sure I'm not gonna be able to finish all this today. Well, I'll finish it, but not all in this video. It's already or be damn near an hour. So probably try to figure this out, and yeah. All right, so but this is why it's taking so long to actually work on this project, because the functionality is, it takes a lot of thinking, and that's why, like, as you guys, I think I've been working on this for like 3 weeks now, and this is like the only thing that you guys see. But on the back end, there's a ton of logic that's going into this. So yeah. All right, so let's figure this out. But I actually like doing stuff like this. Like, we gotta think of the problem and how to fix it. So we have 2 products, and the error pops up whenever. Okay. So what we probably can do is with full, I need to pop up outside of everything. So the message, yeah, I'm not really sure how to do it right now, and I don't want to just make this video super long of me just looking at the screen, because I will sit here for like 2 hours trying to figure this out. So I think I might just skip this and do this part tonight. And yeah, so still got that to do. I still got all this shit to do. I've already been wasted a whole hour on that. But we do got to delete the cart button, which is good. So we can actually check that off. So remove cart button, check that off. And so we got that working fine, which is good. And let me just make sure, add to cart and delete. Nice. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the set message and stuff for now, and just go back into it. I'm actually gonna comment it out for now like that. All right, so let's move on to the next thing. So add the cart alert. So that should be actually pretty easy. So what we'll do is actually we'll go here and we'll just copy all of this because, like I said, I can actually knock out 2 of these things on the list right now, actually, because I want to add the cart alert and oh no, I thought I wrote it down. Oh, try assign an error when trying to add the cart. So it's going to be kind of like this. You set the error to must signed in. So what we can do is actually just copy this over. Yeah, let's copy this. And I want to see something. Okay. Alright, so if it's already in our wish list, that's what happens, but I kind of want to alert here as well. So what we probably can do is we could probably do a set message here as well. So let's try that. Let's do a set message. And then we'll do backticks. And we'll do a name. And we'll do something like is already in your wish list. Just little alerts. I mean, kind of probably overboard. That message. It's already in your wish list. That message. I think we gotta return this. Let's do return. Maybe not. Yeah, I wonder why that's not working now. Refresh. But yeah, I kind of want a message to pop up, you know, that says already in your wish list. So maybe we don't need to do that. Let's see. Add the wish list. Okay, has been added. Has been added. Has been added. All right. Okay, there we go. It's already in your wish list. But as you can see, it's kind of want it to be red. And then set timeout isn't on there either, so let's go ahead and just copy this over right quick underneath here. That I should get rid of that in 2 seconds. So it refreshes. Alright, so we're not signed in. Nice. Let's go ahead and log in. Oh my god, now my entire thing messed up. That's hilarious. What is going on? Log in. Oh my god. Application. This is what I go through, guys. Let's go ahead and remove the cart store. And let's remove the wish list store. And to be safe, let's go ahead and close out. Actually, we gotta. Okay, so we got too many clients already. Whoa. Oh man, we got some issues here. Alright, let's do an npm run dev. And hopefully it works now, because I do not want to figure out some. Dude, this project, I'm not gonna lie, it's been really stressful working on this project, man. It's like so many bugs. When it comes to full stack development, whew, I can do front end, I mean, I love full stack. This is what I'm gonna pursue whenever I apply for a job. But man, the bugs you encounter, it's unbelievable. Okay, please work now. If not, I will have to end this video. Unfortunately, we only got one thing on the list done, which sucks. But I would probably later on tonight, I'll probably make another video. I just don't want to make this video too long. Alright, so let's try this again. Please work. There we go. Nice. Just had to refresh it. Alright, so we signed in. Let's go to add to wish list. So test product has been added and test product is already added. So it's already in our thing. But I kind of wanted it to be red. So what we'll do is we could set some state here, and then in here we'll just do something like just with the background. All right, let's see. Let's just do it. I think I could just do that right quick. Let's do a const alert bg and just a set alert, because I'm gonna have to do this for the add to cart thing as well. So bg, and this is going to equal use state, and the initial value is just going to be true. Oh, false. Let's do false. All right, so what we'll do is inside of, so if it's already in wish list, we'll set the message to that, and then we'll also set alert bg to true, and I say we go back to the default once in 2 seconds too. So we'll do a set alert bg, and then this will just be false inside of our set alert. And what we'll do is down here for our div, I wonder if I can I just do this? This might look stupid, but let's see. Okay, no you can't. Okay, I was making sure. I was wondering if I could just do that inside of there. All right, so let's remove these. I think we got to do backticks, if I'm not mistaken. So actually, no, we got to do it in brackets like that, and then we'll do so if it's alert .bg, the class name is going to be okay, hold on, let's see if this works. All right, I want to copy all of this, and then gonna remove it. So if alert bg we're going to class name is going to be just the background. So the BG is just going to be, let's just do red 600. Else class name is that. Let's see if that works. Okay, add to wish list. Whoa. Nope. Oh yeah, it won't work. I forgot because so that means we have to unfortunately I think I have to copy all of this and just paste it up in here and just take off all right, there we go. Nice. Where's the BG red? Oh, the BG green. Forgot which green I had it. Maybe green 600. All right, so let's test this out. Let's go ahead and remove, and we add it. No, I didn't get my alert. Remove. Okay, there we go. Add to wish list. Nice. Add to wish list. Thank you. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it again. Already in your wish list. Nice. All right, cool. So that's working. So now I got a little bit more time. I'm gonna go ahead and try to knock out these two to add the cart and assign an error right quick. So for the add the cart button, let's see everything we take it in. Okay, so this shouldn't be too bad. What I could probably do is just go ahead and just copy all of this over to there and just switch some things around. Add the cart. And the only thing about this is I use this add to cart button in the side of my wish list. So I wonder if it's going to work the way that I want it to work even when that's open. So let's see. Let's go ahead and copy. Go ahead and paste all of this in there like that. And we got to import new state. Alright. So I'm gonna name this to already in art. And this is just gonna be a cart store. Alright, cart. Some. Alright, and we can change this to already in cart. And we do gotta pass in the user. Oh, I think we got it. Wait. And the wish list. Okay, so I just got a user up there too. Like that. Put a comma user. That. Well, we're not passing nothing down to this, so get rid of this. Bring this up to there. Move this down to there. All right, so I'm not passing the users down to this, so let's pass the users down. Let's go over to product, I believe, and here we'll just pass in this. Like that. And change up this stuff, so we'll do a park store dot add products. Where is it? Oh, add to cart. I thought I put add product. Okay, add to cart. And here, instead of doing all of this, we'll just call this function handle wish. I mean, let's change the name. Handle add to cart. Add to handle add to cart. Okay, let's test this out. Might have some errors right now though. Refresh. No errors. Nice. Gotta give it a second to load though. All right, so let's test this out. Oh, we don't even have the message or none. Let's go back to our wish list button, and down here, let's just copy all of this. We'll just switch up the text and everything. But I just want to make sure I got it working. And right underneath the button, I'll just do it like that. And let's see. Give it a second. There we go. Oh, already in our wish list, but really means already in our cart. So let's remove it from our cart. And let's see. Add it. Okay, nice. Let's change up these messages here. Where are we at? Add the cart. So it's already in your cart. Oh, sorry. Already in your cart, and must be signed in, and has been added to your cart. And like that. Okay. Alright, so let's test this out. It's already in your cart. Nice. So this is what I really wanted to test out. So let's see. So we added from cart from here. Must be signed in. Tragic. Oh man. We got us a problem. So it's saying must be signed in when we add it to cart from here. And this is doing the wish list page. I think I just see if this works. I don't think this should work. That shouldn't work because we're passing. Yeah, I'm not sure. Because we are signed in. We added to cart. Test product has been added to your cart. Has been added to your cart. Been added to your wish list. And it says it's already in our cart. Should get that little red message. And remove. But for some reason, when we added to cart from here, this must be signed in. Set error. Maybe because the item is already in our cart. So let me see something. Let's remove that. Okay, so it's not that. Yeah, I'm not sure. I want to take a look at that today. I need a break. Been going, I don't know how long this video is gonna be. But yeah, so that's it for me today. I try to get on here and do a little bit of coding on video whenever I can, but I do most of my coding, you know, at night in bed, you know, when the family go to sleep, on the couch and on my laptop. So yeah, I'm gonna work on all this tonight and try to figure this out. But yeah, that's it for me today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.